Hi! We're so excited to let you know that the Serenity Sweater from Love Notions has been updated and re-released in sizes extra small to 5X. Love Notions has made a commitment to update all of their patterns with extra small to 5X sizing by the end of 2021, and Serenity Sweater is next on the list. Additionally, Serenity Sweater now has a free pattern add-on, which you can find the link to right down below in the description box. We love this new add-on, and it makes the Serenity Sweater even easier to create. It's a hemband add-on, and it comes with the directions and a PDF pattern piece. So take a look in the description box below and find your free add-on. Also a note, if you have purchased Serenity Sweater before, those updated patterns will be put right directly into your account without you having to do anything at all, except for just re-download. So I want to tell you a little bit about the Serenity Sweater, but in case you were worried about putting it together, we also wanted to let you know that the Serenity Sweater is going to be having a sew-along event in the Love Notions Facebook group. It's also going to be on the Love Notions blog, and all those resources will be here on our Love Notions YouTube channel. So look for that happening at the beginning of November. I believe it's the second week of November. Inside of the Love Notions sew-alongs, we always have streamed videos of the pattern being put together. Kelly, our amazing sew-along teacher, will walk through every single part of the process, from selecting your fabric, making pattern alterations, and even sewing step by step every single piece. So if you're worried about any part of the construction of the Serenity Sweater, participating in the sew-along will be your very best bet. As well as those videos, we'll have blog posts on our Love Notions blog every day of that week. And there you'll find all of the information written out with lots of clear images, as well as some hacks and some ideas to take your Serenity Sweater even further. So let me give you some information about the Serenity Sweater and why I think it is a staple wardrobe piece no matter what time of the year it is. The Serenity Sweater was actually created because I had complained to Tammy that I couldn't find any cute nursing tops when I was pregnant with my last daughter. And that's how the Serenity Sweater was born. We love this crossover style top. It has an elastic bottom, and it also has lots of sleeve options. The other thing that's really nice about the Serenity Sweater is that you can choose to leave it open and wear a cami underneath. I suggest the Luna Loungewear cami, it's perfect. But you can also wear it with a little buttonhole or a little snap added to it. There's lots of ways that you can wear this. The sweater also comes in various lengths. You can use it as almost like a crop when you cut it at the natural waistline. And that's so cute to wear over like a simple dress. You can also wear the Serenity Sweater cut at the hip line, and that is perfect for just a casual sweater. Now let's talk notions. In order to make the Serenity Sweater, you really just need a sewing machine, the tutorial, and the pattern. But there's a couple other pieces that make putting this together a whole lot easier and are recommended. So one of those things that's pretty essential is to have 3/8 of an inch clear elastic. Now there is directions inside of the tutorial for how exactly to attach this at the bottom of the Serenity Sweater. So you'll be using a 3-step zigzag stitch in order to attach this, and it's way easier than you might think. And Tammy's got a great video for it. The other thing that you're going to want to use as you make your Serenity Sweater is some hem tape. Now this is really, really helpful in preparing your sweater to top stitch around the entire neckline. And I highly, highly suggest grabbing some 1/2 inch hem tape to iron in along those front pieces and along the back neckline. So make sure you grab some hem tape. And if you want, you could grab a couple little buttons to put decoratively or functionally on your neckline, wherever you'd like it to be. I personally like to just leave it open and wear a cami underneath. So I pulled out some of the options that I'm thinking about using for my Serenity sweaters. So let me show you what I'm working with here. I have this lovely bamboo rib knit that I think is gonna be a gorgeous Serenity sweater. I have double brush poly that I think would be a great option. You could use a baby French terry. Really anything that has a little bit of a drape to it is gonna really get you what you want with this pattern. You also could use a sweater knit. I have this really pretty floral that I think I might use. I also think a loose weave sweater knit would be gorgeous with this pattern. Because it is a layering piece, it doesn't matter if you can see through it. So I think this is gonna be a really nice option too. And then of course, a classic little thermal fabric that I have here. I think that would make a really nice drapey, easy to wear Serenity sweater. So I've made several versions of the Serenity sweater with the hemband. And as you'll see, the directions are very, very simple. The hemband option I have made at least 4 different times. I have made, obviously, this sweater net version with long sleeves. I have also made a sleeveless version for the summer, which was in a gray and white rib knit, and I'll show you a picture here. I've also made 2 3/4 length sleeve versions of this pattern. One I think is gonna be great for the holidays, and the other one is just a perfect staple, regular, casual, everyday wear, black double brush poly that I have. So I've made the Serenity sweater with the hemband many times, and I think that you'll love sewing it up. If you want to make sure that you stay in the know for all of the things that are happening in Love Notions, make sure that you subscribe to our newsletter. There's a link down below for it. So thanks for watching our Serenity sweater video about our add-on for the hemband, and make sure that you join us for the upcoming Sewalong, which is happening November 9th through 16th. We love connecting with you all across the social media platforms that we're on, so we hope that we will see you again here soon on YouTube, but we also hope that you connect with us on Instagram at Love Notions, and especially make sure that you join our pattern support group on Facebook, and you can find that by going to Facebook and searching for Love Notions Pattern Support, and there we love to answer questions and especially see your makes. So see you soon. Bye.